Hi guys, my name is David, and I've got a few things to say if you'd be so kind as to listen for the next couple of minutes. First of all, welcome to the boardroom. This whole space is covered in cardboard. This space is more than just cardboard though, and I'm gonna tell you why. Before this room was the boardroom, it was my older brother's old room. And for the longest time, it was empty, although that's not entirely true. It wasn't empty. You see, it was occupying space. There were things that were filling it. They just weren't things that were great. I was using this room as sort of a dump. I would put cups and plates and bowls and trash and laundry in here so I don't have to deal with it. And I would shut the door and it would be out of sight, out of mind. That grew into creating this space, which was a point of shame for me. I would be nervous and anxious about this room that was just a mess and that I couldn't use. For the longest time, my parents had been trying to get me to clean up the room and take all the stuff out and actually make it usable. And I always said I would, and then I wouldn't. I wouldn't. I, for the longest time, left this space just as. That's all changed. Something clicked inside me and I needed a space to create in. And I saw this place and I said, this will be my space and I will clear it out for the boardroom. And in a day, I cleaned out all the trash, I took out all the clothes, I took out all the scraps, I put in all my cardboard, and then within a few days, I had all of the walls covered, I had my lights up, I had the floor vacuumed, I had the desk cleaned, I had my laptop here, and I was sat in this room, and I wasn't nervous, I wasn't anxious, I was relieved. This channel and making stuff out of cardboard has had a larger impact than just bringing joy to whoever might see them and bringing joy to me making the stuff. It has had a tangible impact on improving my life by pushing me to create a space in which I am comfortable, not only comfortable, but in an area where I used to feel no comfort. The power of Bologna is transformative, and so is cardboard. That's Bologna. That's where we're ending this video. Tutorials coming soon on how to make stuff. Thank you.